If your body feels stiff, achy, or tired right now, this practice is exactly what you need. In just a couple of minutes, we're going to move the entire body, your hands, shoulders, spine, hips, even your feet, so that we can reduce stiffness and start feeling a little bit more ease and mobility in your body again. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a registered nurse and a yoga teacher, and I help women build strength and mobility in simple, realistic practices that they can actually fit into their daily life. Go ahead and grab a chair, move slowly, and let's get started. Start by coming to a comfortable seat in your chair. Let your shoulders be soft away from the ears. Press your feet evenly into the earth. Relax the hands on the lap, palms facing up or down. And maybe now you start to close down the eyes as we take a moment to ground and center. Start to bring your awareness to your breath, just noticing how the breath feels as it travels in through the nose and out through the nose or the mouth. And as you're ready, please gently open the eyes and we'll begin the physical part of our practice. We'll start with the hands and wrists and begin by having the hands out in front. We're going to spread the fingers really wide and then draw the hands into a fist. So squeezing here. Extend, spread the fingers and draw the fingers in. These type of moves are really great, especially if you have stiffness or achy joints due to arthritis. Just these gentle movements can really make a big impact. And along the way, I'm going to encourage you to notice your breath, not changing or altering it too much, just bringing some awareness here and allowing the breath to anchor you here to the present moment. Just give me 2 or 3 more of these. Spread the fingers wide as you can, and then we'll bring the hands back in. Just finish up last time. Sweet. Our next move, maybe shake out those wrists a little bit. Next move, extend the arms, make fists with the wrist, and then just roll the wrist in one direction. Softening through the shoulders. Maybe you soften your jaw and the skin of your face. And reverse your circles the other way when you're ready. Into those micro joints of the wrists and fingers here for 3, 2, and 1. Our next move for our hands, we're going to just gently, you can extend the hands like I am. We're going to tap thumb to each finger. So tap, tap, and then just reverse. So working on dexterity here, getting that synovial joint fluid to each little joint in your amazing hands. And also working a little bit on coordination. See if you want to play with your speed. Maybe you go faster or slower. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Shake it out. We'll move on. Let's come to the shoulders. So next move, we're going to go into some gentle shoulder rolls. You can go forward, up, back, and around. Your degree of stretch, take your time here. This practice is not about, how many reps we can get in. It's just more about moving the body with ease and taking the time to slow down and just bring some awareness to your physical body. Finish out your last shoulder roll in this direction, and then we'll just start to reverse. So go the other way, getting a nice opening in the chest and the shoulder blades. Feeling out the back body. Breathing along the way. For 2, 1, and finish that one out. When you're ready, we'll draw the shoulders up towards the ears, slide the shoulders down the back, and then find that tall posture again. Relaxing the shoulders away from the ears. Let's extend our arms next, and then we're going to bring the fingertips up towards the shoulders, and then out again. So this whole routine really focuses on all the major joints in the body. Right now focusing on the upper body. Finding some breath, just exploring these shapes. Take your time. Great for everyone. I love doing a practice like this, especially first thing in the morning. And anyone can benefit from a gentle chair yoga practice. I myself started in my early 30s practicing chair yoga and fell in love with it. After I was in a wheelchair, I had a major injury, and that's how I explored chair yoga. So it's for all ages. Right, here we are, 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. And then the next one, we're going to kind of do a chest press. So hands to kind of here at the shoulders, spread your fingers wide, and then we're going to press forward and bring it back in. So a variation of a chest press. Again, waking up the shoulders, the upper body, even the arms. Keep your spine tall, maybe a gentle engagement in the core. And breathe along the way here. Not forcing, not rushing this. Take your time. For 3, 2, 1. Sweet. You can check out the wrists. We'll move into the spine next. First, coming into seated cat-cow. I'm going to turn just to the side so you can see how this looks. We're going to have the feet hips width apart, hands to the knees, and then we're going to explore flexion and extension of the spine. Gently inhale, roll the heart open. Maybe your gaze looks up. Be mindful of the neck here, so not dipping the neck all the way back. And then on your next exhale, we're going to drop the chin to the chest, arch the upper back body, roll into a scaredy cat position. Follow the breath here, inhaling, rising up. Exhaling, folding inward. And then just a couple more rounds in your own time. If you feel like you need to stay in one spot a little bit longer, feel free to do so. How about one more full cycle of cat-cow? And then return to what we call Sukhasana, aligning head over heart, heart over pelvis. We'll continue with the spinal movements. Take one hand to the opposite knee. So I'm going to take my left hand to my right knee, and then I'm going to move into a seated twist. We're going to take that right hand behind. Maybe you look over the right shoulder, gently reaching out and breathing. Spine remains tall here. Nice job. Return to center. Keep that left hand on the knee. We'll take the right arm overhead. Take an inhale. Exhale, fold over towards the left for a side body stretch. A lot of us have a tendency to want to collapse. So let's pull that elbow back in space. We'll keep the heart open. Maybe you look up or down. Release both arms. We'll come back through center and second side. So right hand to left knee. Take that seated twist, sweeping the arm behind. Look over the left shoulder if your neck allows. All the while exploring the breath, feeling out these shapes in your body, and slowing things down. Gently unwind through center. We'll take that left arm to the sky. Inhale. Exhale, fold over, side body stretch, looking up or down. And release your shape. Sweet. Next move, let's go into the hips and the knees. We'll start by opening one knee out to the side, bring it back in, other side. So now you might feel this nice activation in both hips. Hands do as they please, wherever you want to place them, maybe on the hips or on the thighs. Not going too fast here, just really waking up here. Taking your time. For a lot of us, we want to go fast all the time. I myself included. So when we slow these movements down and just be a little bit more intentional, we can really get into some deeper areas. So deeper work for the body. For 3, 2, 1. Fabulous job. I'm going to turn again to one side, and this one we're going to go into work on the knees. So start by drawing the left knee in towards your chest. You can support under the thigh. From here, keep your spine tall, and then just give me some slow kicks. So I like to have my hands supported under that thigh just to give just a little added benefit here. But if you do want to challenge yourself, you could float both hands away. If it's early in the morning, take your time. Breathe through this. Getting any clicks or ticks out of the areas here. Loosening up all the beautiful joints in your body for 3, 2, 1. Nice job. We'll go to the opposite side. So I'm going to hug my right knee in towards my chest. I'm going to extend that right leg. So not only are we working our knee, because of course our whole body is connected, we're working all the ligaments and tendons and muscles around the knee, above and below the knee. So this is a really, really great one, especially if you have achy knees. It's a sweet way to wake up, take care of yourself. These self-care practices, you know, a little bit of self-care can go so far, a long, long way. So I just want to applaud you. Great job for saying yes to your self-care practice. Here we are, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Let's set that foot down. We'll continue some hip work. We're going to move into a figure 4 shape. For some of us, you know, we have 3 different bus stops. I'm going to show you what they look like, and then you get to decide what works best for your body. We'll take the right ankle, maybe take it over the left ankle. That's one bus stop. Other bus stop, maybe you cross the right knee over top the left, or maybe take that right ankle over top the left upper thigh. So whatever feels best for your body, you know your body better than I do, so listen to your body here. And then if you're here with me, right hand to the knee, maybe left hand comes over top. Maintain that tall spine, opening the chest. Find your posture here, crown of the head reaches towards the sky. And then find a couple rounds of mindful breath. And start to release that foot down, maybe a little shake out, and other side. Left knee can hug in. 3 options. This side might be completely different than the other side, so you might choose a different option on this side. And then find your tall spine, maybe hand to knees, and breathe. And we'll start to release that shape, set the foot down, give it a shake out. We'll finally finish up working the ankles and the feet. So draw the right knee in towards your chest again. Hand could come under the thigh or loop around the shin, or if your arms just aren't quite long enough, you could take a folded up towel here for support. And then let's twirl that right ankle around a few times one way. And the other way. Then maybe you point and flex your toes. So point the toes towards the ground and lift the toes up towards the nose. We'll set that foot down, other side, hug the knee in, a little squeeze, and twirl out the ankle a little bit. Be sure to reverse when you're ready. And then let's take that flexion extension. So dropping the toes down and then pulling the toes up towards the nose. And then we'll set the foot down to the ground. From here, let's scrunch the toes. So like we did with the hands at the beginning, we're going to scrunch the toes in and then spread your toes as wide as possible. This is very challenging for a lot of us. Let's do it again, scrunching the toes and then it's spread the toes. Just a couple more times, your own time here. Go at your pace. Just give me one more. Nice. And then last exercise today, we're going to just press the feet into the ground, lift the heels off the earth, lower down. Lifting and lowering. Activate the calf muscle, the underside of the foot. For 3, 2, and 1. Maybe hang out here with me, drawing those heels up towards the sky. Lift, lift, squeeze that calf, those calf muscles. And release the foot down. Take one moment here. We're going to set, again, we're going to reset and center ourselves. Relax the shoulders from the ears, soften through the breath, close the eyes. Noticing how you feel. You can gently open the eyes and just take a moment to give thanks for this practice and thanks for this amazing body and breath that you have right now. And I want to send gratitude to all of you practicing all around the world. Thank you for being here. Great job today. Just take a moment and notice how you feel. Maybe already you feel a little more open and a little less stiff. If you enjoyed this practice, come back to it regularly. Just a few minutes a day can really make a big impact on your health. If you want to stay connected with me, I'd love for you to sign up for my weekly wellness newsletter. I'll leave a link down below so you can connect there. And if you want to continue with this practice, you can check out this video next. It's a 5-minute indoor walking workout where we focus on balance. I'll see you in the next video. Take good care.